unting-unti nalulugi ang business namin noon. Now, let me tell you a story on what happened. Lagi kami nagbababa ng presyo para lang makabenta. Sabi namin, ang hirap, pababaan ng presyo. Lahat ng kalaban namin, nagpo-promo, nagbibigay ng freebies, kaliwat kanan discount, pababaan ng presyo. Pag hindi naman kami sumabay, walang mangyayari sa amin. Anong ginawa namin? Nagbaba din kami, kaliwat kanan discount, and guess what? Nagkaroon naman kami ng mga client, pero ang profit, halos wala. Pagod yung team, maliit yung kita. Yun pala, we were playing the same game, the price game o pababaan ng presyo. And here's the truth. If we compete on price, we're not in business. We are in a discount contest. Kasi pag nagbaba yung isa, magbababa din yung iba. Ang belief kasi namin noon, mas mura ka, mas madami ang bibili. Tapos makikita namin sa Facebook, help, na-scam kami ni ganito. Ito ang totoo. Clients don't always want cheap. They want trust and value. Pag mura ang lahat, the question becomes, sino ang pinakamura? Pero pag premium ka, the question becomes, sino ang pinaka worth it? What we realize is that we need to stop being cheap and start being different. Because people are not just paying. They are paying to have a peace of mind. Parang sa transportation, may tricycle, may artista van. Parehas kang maihatid sa iyong destinasyon. Pero sa tricycle, pwede kang mapagod, mahagard. Sa artista van, chill and enjoy ka. Remember, you don't just win by being cheap. You win by being different.